So today we are towing a 2021 Ferrari Roma. It's parked in an underground and the customer's complaint is it will not start. We're gonna try a boost on it first to see if we can get it out of the underground and load it up out here in the open.
So this is gonna charge the car?
This is gonna boost the car. I've had a lot of people sit there and laugh at me when they see my little booster pack. Could I just bother you for the key? So we're using the manual key to get in because there's absolutely no power to the car. Do you have the key fob? Let's see what we're going to deal with here. Absolutely no power, so let's get some juice to her. The battery is located underneath this little piece. And we got about 5 volts in the battery, and now we have power. She's alive! Yeah, you want to just give that a push. Awesome. So the battery boost worked. However, since it is a Ferrari and it's 2021, we'll still be taking it to the dealership.
And you have to exit that way.
I have to go out that way? Oh, jeez. Well, that's where we went in from.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get...
So, because it's in neutral.
I've got the parking brake on.
Okay. This is how I crashed. Almost.
Now, before I load up the car, I'm going to be doing an inspection on it, just making sure that there's no damage. And if I do find any damage, I will document it, and I will let the customer know as I go along. We won't be long. What's the mileage on it? 4972. We got a little scratch there on the rim. I'm just grabbing my ramp so that it gives us a little bit of extra clearance on the car. So we've got her all loaded up. Now it's strap her down. You got nervous, didn't you?
I don't know how you, like, why don't they make those things wider?
Wider?
Yeah.
That's 10 inches, I think.
Oh my god.
I've got those ones, and I've got some other ramps that I built myself.
Oh yeah?
I like those ones because they're very light. I've had so many customers get all nervous and... Oh, it was very nerve-wracking my first time. I had a $500,000 Lamborghini.
And the owner's like watching you.
When I first started, I didn't know how to operate the Lamborghini. I got a little spooked and had the customer help me with it. I apparently did very well with that one. Now, like every other car, 4 points of contact, especially on something like this. Make sure my straps don't contact the vehicle's body in any way. And there we go. The last thing left to do is gather up my race ramps and off to the dealership we go. Now I just verify the drop address with my customer and away I go. Okay, so I'll take that one as well.
You have the other one still.
That one's right there.
Thanks, you.
No worries. Have yourself a fantastic day. So we have our Ferrari loaded up now. The issue we had was a no start and she was parked in an underground parking. So to get her out of the underground, we boosted it, brought it out, did our inspection while we had it outside of the parking garage, and loaded her up. Now we have her strapped down and she's ready to head off to the dealership. Customer seems very happy.